At one of the largest integrated chemical complexes in Europe, corrosion was putting critical waste-to-energy operations at risk. The site runs 6 incinerators that handle industrial, household, and medical waste. A harsh fuel mix led to under-deposit corrosion on boiler water walls, causing unplanned downtime and driving up maintenance costs. In 2016, the facility brought in HVTS to apply high-velocity thermal spray, targeted at the membrane wall above the post-combustion chamber. The cladding was designed to resist the fuel's corrosive impact. 1 year later, inspections showed the area remained in excellent condition. No cracks, no thinning, just consistent protection. That early success led to 5 more HVTS applications across the site over the next 7 years. Every inspection confirmed strong results and coating integrity, no failures, no material loss. By 2025, the site had extended outage cycles from 18 to 21 months, directly tied to the long-term performance of IGS's HVTS solution. According to the facility's maintenance team, it's rare for their EHS department to endorse a supplier, but in this case, they made an exception.